Welcome to MobilePhoneTraining.co.uk, bringing life to mobile communications.
Welcome to MobilePhoneTraining.co.uk. We're talking to you about the LG KF700. This video is about how to do multimedia messaging, also known as MMS or picture messaging, on this new device brought to you by LG. Okay, so jump straight into it. We slide the keypad up. We jump into messaging by hitting the envelope icon on the screen, and then we go to create a new message, and then we choose message. Now this is the same screen that you would have noticed that you go into to do your text messaging also. The way that you turn it into a picture message is by hitting the sub menu key here and going to insert. Now this is where it becomes a picture message, because now you can choose to add an image, and you can choose to take a picture from using the camera straight away or use an existing image. So we're going to jump into an existing. Then you can choose whether it's on your memory card or in your phone memory, just by hitting my images. Quite cleverly, the handset is quite intuitive because it allows you to go into my images, but at the same time it will still upload pictures from your memory card, so you don't have to go back and then back in. So quite intuitive, very, very smart. So we're going to choose a picture and then hit insert. Now you can see the picture's inserted, and now you can type your message. So T9's on, so we'll probably just type in and as you can see, text messaging is fairly simple, very easy. And that's it. So there's our message there, and we've typed that up. Now we can instantly jump into the document, hit the sub menu key, go to insert, and we can add a video, a sound clip, some kind of symbol, a template in form of text messages. I can add someone's name and number, but more importantly, I can add a new slide. Now the good thing about this new slides feature on the LG KF700, which I think is the first time I've seen this on an LG handset, but it asks you, would you like to insert the slide before or after the existing slide? So I choose after, and as you can see, you get another menu screen come up again. Now the other feature that I like is if I go to insert another image, it should tell me that the image that I've used was too big and it would like me to resize. So back into my images again. Let's choose any random image, insert. So there you are, a very small image that you've taken there will still be inserted, then you can type a message. But if you try and insert a bigger one, it won't allow you to, so, and it will try and resize it for you. The software is very, very good. Let's find that one, let's try that one. There you are, message capacity is exceeded, resize, yes. And it will attempt to resize that image for you using the internal software. Now if in the event that it can't resize it small enough for it to fit in the message, then generally it will come up with an error message and say to you, memory is still exceeded, and it won't add the image for you, which I think is very, very good. So as you can see there's your number 1, and if you scroll up it shows you page number 2. Okay, so now you've done that, you can go back into the document key, sub-menu key, sorry. You can do things like set slide, slide duration, the text color. Now you've got a color palette of colors that you can use for your text messaging. You've got background colors as well, as always, so you can choose like a light blue, and then it will put your background of all your text messages into light blue, which I think is quite cool. You can choose to remove content. So you can choose to remove the whole slide or the image, or if you've inserted a video, obviously it will say video there. You can choose to go to slide, the priority, things like, you know, important, non-important. And always, you've always got the input method, writing language, and obviously add to dictionary. Now, once you've done everything and you think you've chosen everything that you want to do, you just literally go back and you hit send. Now, it comes up with a list of numbers that you've probably used already. And the thing that I like about this handset now is that I can type in a number, for instance. I'll go back, send. You can type in a number and it will try and find the number. So if you know the number off your head, just hit number here. And as I'm typing it in, we'll just hit send there, and it will start to send that message for you. Now, I don't know if you can see on the screen there, that it has this icon here showing you that it's sending you a picture message. I don't think we've got picture messaging set up on our demo SIM card, but that's pretty much how you send a picture message on the LG KF700. If we jump back in and make sure everything's been covered. If you want to add symbols into your picture message, don't forget you can add symbols by doing this through here. Whilst you're within your picture message, if you come across, if you're a predictive texter, that's fine. If you're a predictive texter, let's say you choose the word good, but you wanted to use the word home, you can see there that it comes up with an array of options. So you can either use a jog wheel on the side of the handset and scroll through like so, or you can press the star key and it will flick through all of them. Now if the word doesn't happen to be there, you can keep on pressing star and then it will come up with the word, the term spell on the bottom left. Just tap spell and then you can type in your own word into there. If you wanted to turn T9 off, for instance, just like the view to the top right, you tap T9 and it would switch it off for you. So there we are, T9 off, and the green light goes off. When the green light's off, T9 is switched off. When the green line's on, then you obviously T9 switched on. To flick it between the different input modes, ABC, you press the hash key on the phone. So zoom out there for the autofocus. I'm pressing the hash key now, and you can see 1, 2, 3 ABC. Now this handset isn't like the Vita where you can choose to use a stylus to do handwriting recognition, because it doesn't have that on there because it doesn't come with a stylus. But you can go onto LG Mobile's website very shortly, go onto their accessory site and buy accessories for this handset and any other LG handsets that you may have had. And that's pretty much it for picture messaging. In terms of using the drafts, or the templates of the picture messages, I'll show you those. If you jump into message, jump in here and we can scroll up. So what you want to do is you want to insert a template. So go to template. I'm in text messaging now. Back out of that. Okay, so on here we can scroll up. Let's go into templates, multimedia messaging templates, and as you can see there, you've got different ones. So you've got birthday, which is all inside there, which I think is quite cool, quite quirky. And you know, instantly you can write multimedia message and it will start to do it for you, and the birthday message is already inside there for you. So again, quite cool, quite quirky. And to access, no, don't save the drafts. To access your templates, all you need to do is literally, we'll go back to the beginning, messaging, scroll up, templates, templates, then go into multimedia messaging, and then you've got some here. You can add some new ones if you wanted to by hitting add new, and then you can start to formulate your template inside there. But you've got various ones, things like sorry, so we'll show you that one. So it looks like someone who's feeling very, very sorry. Holiday. So let's go back and view. So it shows you someone laying down on the beach. So you've got various different ones that you can choose from within the templates. The KF600 didn't have any templates installed, so it was quite good and quite nice to see that someone was already installed onto this one. And that's pretty much it. So that's multimedia messaging, brought to you by MobilePhoneTraining.co.uk on the LG KF600. Thank you.